cleaning up after meals can be a hassle, especially when it comes to drying dishes without cluttering your countertop. That's why finding the right dish drying rack is crucial for maintaining an organized kitchen. In this video, we will explore 5 of the best options available on Amazon in 2026, comparing their features, strengths, and overall usability. Stay tuned to discover which rack takes the top spot and why it might be the perfect solution for your kitchen needs. KitchenAid large capacity full-size rust-resistant dish rack with angled drain board and removable flatware caddy. Light gray. The KitchenAid large capacity dish rack is designed for those who frequently entertain or have a large family. Its expansive space can accommodate an impressive number of dishes, pots, and cutlery, making it a perfect choice for busy kitchens. The angled drain board helps to direct water straight into the sink, preventing any countertop puddles. Plus, the removable flatware caddy keeps utensils organized and easy to access. However, it may take up significant counter space, which could be a drawback for smaller kitchens. Kitsure dish drying rack for kitchen counter. Stainless steel sink organization and storage essentials with cutlery holder, home and apartment decker, 12WX 15.5L. The Kitsure dish drying rack is ideal for those living in apartments or smaller homes where space is at a premium. This stainless steel rack is compact yet efficient, featuring a cutlery holder that keeps utensils organized. It excels in maximizing vertical space, allowing you to dry dishes without crowding your counter. The sleek design also adds a touch of modern decor to your kitchen. However, it may not be large enough for bigger households with heavy dish usage. Joseph Extendable dish drying rack with dual parts, stainless steel, non-scratch, movable utensil drainer, and drainage spout. The Joseph Extendable dish drying rack is perfect for those who appreciate versatility and style. Its dual-part design allows you to adjust the size according to your dishwashing needs, making it suitable for small and large loads alike. The non-scratch surface ensures that your delicate dishes remain safe while drying, and the movable utensil drainer keeps forks and knives in place. While it's a great functional option, its extendable feature may require some extra handling to adjust properly. Joseph Extend Steel Expandable Dish Drying Rack with removable cutlery holder. Swivel draining spout, stainless steel. Ranked as our second best choice, this Joseph Expandable Dish Drying Rack combines style with functionality. It features a removable cutlery holder and a swivel draining spout, ensuring that water flows directly into the sink. This rack is perfect for busy kitchens, where efficiency matters. Its stainless steel construction not only makes it durable, but also easy to clean. A minor drawback could be its price point, which may be higher than other options, but the quality justifies the investment. Kitsure large dish drying rack, extendable dish rack, multifunctional dish rack for kitchen counter. Anti-rust dish drainers with cutlery and cup holders, 19.2-inch, 26.7-inch, LX 12.9-inch, W. The Kitsure large dish drying rack is our top pick for 2026 due to its impressive versatility and capacity. This extendable dish rack can adjust from 19.2 to 26.7 inches, allowing for flexibility based on your drying needs. It includes integrated cutlery and cup holders, making it a multifunctional choice that keeps everything neatly organized. Ideal for families or those who frequently cook, this rack is designed to handle a large volume of dishes while preventing rust. The only downside might be the initial setup, which could take a minute or two, but once in place, it proves invaluable. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 dish drying racks for 2026. Whether you need a compact solution for a small space or a large capacity for a bustling kitchen, There's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links below for more details and to find the perfect drying rack for your needs. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and kitchen tips.